Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab M7 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this tablet. First of all, go into Settings. Now access Privacy section over here and click on Permission Manager at the top. Following that, click on one of those features that you wish to manage. I will go with Location. Now select one of your apps and tap on the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time or deny. I will go with allow only while using the app, so when I click on it and go back, I can see that my app just gained access to this device's location if I'm using it. But you can always go back, select any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage. I will go into Microphone to access my Chrome. Now click on See All Chrome Permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!